How do I make 8,118 pounds per week? This is the first video I do on YouTube. Uh, I'm not very good doing this or trying. So my name is Adrian. I am from London, United Kingdom, originally from Romania. Uh, yeah, pretty much I'm an entrepreneur. I'm doing a lot of internet marketing, Amazon, and other stuff for like other businesses. So today is the first video I'm doing. Hopefully many more if they they like the people like it. I want to talk about Amazon FBA, how I'm able to do 8,000 pounds per week plus. So um, I'm logging here my account. Um, yeah, so we can see here is the number, the balance. Here it's the recent payment, today orders that I want to do. I want to go here. Basically, you can see in the last 7 days, uh, yeah, 8,000 pounds in sales. So yeah, I want to refer this so you can see it's not fake. Um, okay, for this I use, well, the business model I use is retail arbitrage and online wholesales. Basically, I source the item from Costco or other retailers, and I check them pretty much if they sell higher price online, and yeah, I buy it from Costco and I ship it to Amazon warehouses, and so there will be FBA, and from there I think I have to blur out some of this stuff here, and from there yeah, Amazon, they do all the rest. They ship it for you, they do customer service, um, yeah, they handle returns. So yeah, pretty much it. Like about the profit on 8,000 pounds per week, it's like it's 30% profit, 35%, up to 40. Well, depends of the product, depends of the demand, but pretty much yeah, between 25 and 35% profit margin. So basically, it will be like I don't know, 2,000 pounds profit, something like that. I have to figure it out. So yeah, pretty much this is what I want to say. I want to do some other video about it. So I don't know if you enjoy it. Let me know in the comment below if you have any question about Amazon, about business, about, yeah, we'll talk about mindset, business, books, and all this stuff. So have a nice day. Thank you very much for watching.